Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to teach you few painting hacks which are done in a classroom. So I took a tissue roll, cut it shaped like a flower, dipping it in paint, and later on making fireworks on an A4 size paper. So the next one is making a collage on a cardboard. So I took a paper tape, and with the help of that tape I made few lines on them, and I told them to randomly paint the shapes which they can see in between the tape, and just have a rough painting done on the cardboard. This was a fun painting activity for the kids. Now it's time to unveil the masterpiece. It was so satisfying taking off the tape from the cardboard, and the kids were enjoying that how amazing the reveal was. So the next one was making flowers with the help of a fork. So I took two colors to make the flowers. One was pink and the other one was purple. So we made sure that we press the fork perfectly on the paper so that it can become a beautiful flower with the help of a fork. So we kept on doing until we were done with the flowers of the pink and the purple. The next step was to make the stems of the flower. So I demonstrated one to him and the rest he did on his own. It became messier at the end, but the whole agenda was to make him have fun painting and also learn how a flower is being made with the help of a fork. The next step was to make a butterfly. So I took a sponge and wrapped it around with a rubber band and made the wings. So after that we made the middle part of the butterfly with the help of the black paint. The last step was to make the sun, which is a final touch-up of a scenery. So this was a beautiful way to make a flower with the help of a fork and a sponge as well. This next one was a sponge activity. I didn't have the video, was not working, so I cut out a heart shape and I gave him a sponge and told him to paint over it, and once it was off they could see the shape made on the card. So we made this card for Mother's Day. So the next painting activity is we made crazy hair with the help of a straw. So I added water in the paint, and it was mostly water, so he can blow out the paint with the help of the straw. So using the dropper to put few drops on the paper so they can blow the paint with the help of the straw and make the crazy hair, so they can have a concept of how hair is, and also they can have fun with the paint, making crazy different patterns and expressions on the paper. So this was a fun activity for him because he was exploring different things with the help of paint. So I made an expression on the face so it can look like a child is surprised or shocked, so all the hair is going up. So the next one was I made few lines, few patterns, and he had to paint with his fingers. So you can just simply take different color paints and teach them how a flower or a butterfly is being made with the help of the paint, which was a great and fun way to teach them different impression and patterns. So this next one was I took a balloon, I inflated the balloon and dipped it in a paint and made few different patterns and different shapes. It was mostly round shape, but it was giving different patterns on the paper, which was great to see for a 4-year-old and a 3-year-old. And how you can use different accessories to make painting fun. So thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me as always. This was the most demanded video on my Instagram page, so follow me on Instagram. Like always, like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.